Number 1. Perfect jawline. Your jawline is the first thing people notice in your face, and most guys have a terrible one like this, or this. The jawline structure is influenced by your genetics as much as 60%, but that 60% only works if you have right body fat percentage and masseter muscle development in your face. First thing, drop your body fat. You cannot chisel a jawline that is buried under fat. Get your overall body fat down to 15% and your jaw will literally appear from nowhere. This is the biggest cheat code most beginners miss. Second thing, mewing. I know you have heard of it and trust me, it works. Keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth and lips together. Make this your default face position. It is not overnight work. Most men see results in a year or two. Third thing, start chewing harder foods. Your jaw muscles are actual muscles. Train them like you train your arms muscles. A well-developed masseter muscle is enough to give you this kind of jawline. Fixing your jawline alone can make your face card better than 99% of men out there. Number 2, glass skin. With the air quality getting worse every year, glass skin is not just for women anymore. It is for every man who wants his face to look alive and healthy. The basic routine is 4 steps and nothing more. Step 1, cleanser. Wash your face first thing in the morning and last thing before sleeping. Use a gentle face wash, not body soap. Body soap destroys your skin barrier and makes your face look dull and dry. Step 2, moisturizer. Apply it right after washing while your face is still slightly damp. This locks in hydration so your face looks plumper, fuller and healthier within days of doing this consistently. Step 3, sunscreen. This is the one that separates men who age well from men who look 10 years older than they are. Use SPF 30 or higher every single morning. UV damage is the #1 cause of dull, uneven skin. You can skip everything else, but do not skip sunscreen. Step 4, exfoliation. Use a gentle exfoliating wash like niacinamide or glycolic acid toner. This removes dead skin and brings out the glow underneath. You can also check full guide to get a glass skin on my channel. I will leave the link in description. Number 3, perfect haircut. A bad haircut can ruin a great face. A great haircut can fix an average face. Most guys are going to the wrong barber or telling the barber the wrong thing. So first, find a reference photo before you walk into the barber shop. Do not sit down and say, just clean it up. That is how you get a haircut you hate for the next 4 weeks. Study your face shape and check what type of haircut comes perfect on you. Second, go get a maintenance cut every 3 to 4 weeks. The difference between a fresh cut and a 3-week-old cut is massive. Maintenance is everything. The haircut is your most visible accessory. Treat it seriously. Number 4, facial hair. When done right, they can completely restructure your face. Facial hair done wrong makes you look sloppy and probably homeless. First rule, clean neckline. Shave or trim everything below your Adam's apple. An undefined neckline is the difference between looking groomed and looking like you just don't care. Second rule, match your beard density to your style. If you cannot grow a full beard yet, do not try to rock a full beard. Sparse patches look worse than a clean, light stubble. Work with what you have. A well-maintained light stubble on a guy who cannot grow a full beard looks 10 times better than a patchy attempted beard. Third rule, keep the cheek line clean. You do not need a razor-sharp cheek line, but you need it to look intentional. Take a razor and clean up any stray hairs above your natural cheek line. This instantly makes your beard look more polished. Knowing how to shape your beard can make you stand out among majority of men. Number 5, your dress color. What you wear directly affects how your face looks, and most men wear the wrong colors that make them look terrible. Certain colors make your skin look better and bright, and certain colors make you look just awkwardly bad. First, figure out if you're warm-toned or cool-toned. Look at your wrists under natural light. If your veins look green, you're warm-toned. If they look blue or purple, you're cool-toned. If you're warm-toned, wear earth colors like olive green, cream beige, brown. These colors make your skin pop and match with your face. If you're cool-toned, then wear navy blue, forest green, pure black. These colors make cool skin tones look fresh and alive. The color closest to your face matters most, so focus on your shirt or jacket color. Most men lean towards slightly darker shades because it adds contrast and makes face stand out. Avoid washed-out colors that match your skin tone exactly. This makes you look flat and boring. Black, white, and navy are safe bets for literally everyone. They make you look sharp and put together. That's it. Jawline work takes 1 year to show. Glass skin takes 3 months. Haircut is instant. Facial hair is instant. Dress color is instant. The fact that every man can do this, but they won't, thinking that they will do it some other time. It's either day 1 or 1 day. Subscribe now so you don't miss more glow-up ideas.